It's a perfect situation.
I portioned up what was left of that pork into 3 lots, and each lot will do a meal for both me and Lurch. So that'll probably be a curry, pork, egg fried rice and casserole. I have some dark soy sauce here. You can do it in a bowl. I prefer to do it in a jar. So we want 2.5 tablespoons. 1, 2, oops, and a half tablespoons soy sauce. Rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons. One. That's about half. Homestead sauce, 2.5 tablespoons. Oops. 1. 2. And a big 4. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Oops, big teaspoon. You want 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. 1, 2. And then mix it up. You can mix it in a bowl with a whisk, or as I do it, put it in a jar. Sorry about that. Give it a good shake. And then you can put that in your fridge. Sorry about that. Put that in your fridge until you need it. I have my wok with some olive oil in, which I'm going to heat up now. I've got an assortment of things here. This is some frozen onion, whoops, frozen sweet peppers. I've got the what's left of the pork, and these are a few things out of the garden, carrots and small Brussels sprouts, and I've just chopped them in half because you normally have cabbage in a chow mein, but I haven't got cabbage, so it's sprouts. So I'm going to start off with the block of onions. I'm also going to add in the last of the pork, just to get it crispy brown. If it manages it, it does. If it doesn't, fair enough. I've got it at the moment on a high heat. So I'll let them sizzle away until all the onions are unfrozen. The onions still aren't unfrozen, but we do want the fresh veg time to cook. So in they go. Gently starting to break up now. So the onions have now started to get colour on them. So I will add the red pepper. Well, red, yellow, sweet pepper. That is frozen, and let them come back up to temp. Well, come back up to temperature and start cooking. So now it's sizzling again, so it's frying. So the chow mein sauce. Over it. And put in some of the noodles. As many or as few as you want. I'm doing loads because it's awesome. These few portioned here, I'm going to try and freeze them, I think. And see how they do. And then just toss it in. A few more then. So that'll be enough left to put in the freezer, and then if I fancy a chow mein meal when Lurch is at work, I'll pull them out the freezer and we'll see how they take to being frozen. And there's a lot in there. An awful lot. But that's how easy it is. In fact, I should have done more chow mein sauce, but you can add more soy sauce to it when it's on your plate if you want, or down. So I'm going to do it now. I've got to buy the soy sauce. So there's a bit more soy sauce because we like it. And that's all it is to make your own chow mein. So let's test noodle, see if they're now cooked. Should be. And then I'll dish up. Plate of chow mein. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.